Currently, the trading sentiment on the US dollar is mixed. It either rises or falls, but always within the fairly wide range. The US dollar index, which demonstrates the strength of the greenback against a basket of 6 major currencies, is trading in a narrow range between 92 and 94. Last week it was located near the lower border of this range, and today, however, it's heading for the upper one. At the time of making this video, it was consolidating near the 93 and 60 level. Traders are pricing in the end of the holidays and the beginning of the political season in the United States. On Thursday, senators will discuss again the bill on providing additional financial assistance. Previously, Republicans and Democrats failed to find a compromise on the amount of the coronavirus aid package. Many investors doubt that the parties will find a solution that will be approved by Congress. Yet the US dollar managed to add gains amid some shifts in negotiations. But when investors factor in this news, they will focus on Friday's US inflation data. Economists' forecasts are rather grim. They expect inflation to fall significantly in the annual and monthly terms. If this scenario comes true, the greenback will resume its downward movement. The US stock market is recovering quickly from the recent collapse, which affects the movement of the dollar-yen pair. The continued decline in the S&P 500 index sent the pair down. However, the strengthening of the US dollar across the board keeps the dollar-yen pair from dropping more sharply. The pair approached the support level at 105 and 25. At the same time, it may reverse upwards if it consolidates above 106 and 08. It's not recommended to enter the market now, as the situation is quite vague. The formation of convergence, which signals correction, is also seen on the chart of the Australian dollar. Yesterday, the Aussie slumped by almost 100 points due to the strong gains of the greenback. The Australian currency halted its decline at the level of 0.7200. Possible correction as well as disappointing news about the renewed dispute between Republicans and Democrats in the US Senate may push the Aussie to the level of 0.7292. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.